Hi, hello everyone. How are you all? So I'm going to show you the live example of one of my store. This store I have just created 2 months before, and today I'm going to show you the live performance of the store, how much sale this store is generating. So today, if we see, this store is almost crossed 142K. This means 1,42,000. It's generate the sale of above 1,42,000 in just 24 hours. Today, in just 24 hours, we got 33 orders from the store, and the big thing is this is just a very like just a fresh store we made. It's just 2 months old store. So this is what's the power of e-commerce. So basically I didn't do anything today. I just built a system from which this sales is coming up, and I didn't see the website today. I just opened right now. It's 11:47 right now in the evening, and I just open the portal of this website, and I just got see the sale, like it's 1,42,000 rupees. It's just crossed 1,42,000. But the big thing is that I didn't sell anything to personally to anybody, and this is a complete automatic system which generates sales for me. So this is the power of e-commerce. And this is not all. I am expecting the sales of approximately 5 lakh rupees every day from this store in next 2 to 3 months. I am sure we will work on it, and we will cross this target also, 5 lakh rupees per day of sale from this store. So anybody who want to start an e-commerce business, you can contact me. You can DM me on the Instagram, or you can also reach our team over the WhatsApp, and they will guide you how to enroll into the program to start an e-commerce training. So I will guide you personally over there to how to start your e-commerce store. So I hope you see you there. Thank you.